Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Ingrid Suarez Perez. My weekly routine. My Monday or Friday routine is as follows. I always wake up at 6:25 a.m. Say a prayer. Head an earth night kitchen at 6:40 a.m. I go to brush my teeth and shower. When I am ready, I go out and my motorcycle at school. School always arrive at 7:50 a.m. I start work and who worry finish the day at 12 p.m. I head home and have lunch. Then I sleep for a while. I head at 3 in the afternoon do some homework in June University at 7 p.m. At night is eat, sit, I must always go to the 13 when night comes. Sometimes I am still with the own work. I have some care for dinner at 10 p.m. I go to bed. I hardly ever watch television. Then I sleep until the next day. And starting, I go to church and come. Some days I do my work and the rest. Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye.